Oh my God. Almost there. Almost there. Counting hintay pa. What's up guys? Welcome sa aking vlog. Tonight we are going to make pinakbet courtesy of my ate. And I hope you enjoy the vlog. Wow, brown na brown na. Courtesy by Chef Joyce. Siyempre kailangan step by step. Ang sarap. Sarap. Pinagsasama sa lahat ng gulay. And Sophia, the TikTok. Plagag daw. Meet my pamangkin, AJ. Say hi to the vlog, AJ. AJ, wag ka now shy. Oh, Sophia. Sophia. Yay!
Kapag ako nag-vlog.
So, ganito lang ang ginagawa namin dahil kami po ay naka-quarantine din dito sa Amerika. Ito na po yung pinaka-playground namin. Habang naka-quarantine, pinapanood nila yung mga previous vlog ko. And balik tayo dito.
Wait for me.
Yes, baby.
La, la, la.
What do you want to say to the vlog? What do you want to say?
Hi vlog. Hi vlog. Hi vlog.
So, tinatransfer na po ang mga meat sa mga gulay. I'm sure alam nyo kung paano gawin yan
Hi Tata, welcome to the vlog.
pag nasa Pilipinas kayo. Pero dahil dito sa Amerika, ganito ang American style. Oh look, it's Patty. Welcome to the vlog. I'm sure you remember her from my previous vlog. Mahiyain. Okay. At ito ang pinakamagang bagoong. Oh my goodness. Very good. So ganito po ang mga itsura namin pag naka-quarantine. Nood lang. Maghapon. Walang ginagawa. Magluto. So by the time na natapos na tong quarantine na to, siguro mga 15 pounds siguro. Hindi na kami magkikita-kita. Magkakanya-kanyang buhay na kami pagkatapos ng quarantine. Pero guys, anong ginagawa nyo during quarantine? Just comment lang below. Give my vlog a like. Don't forget to share. And if you have any suggestions kung anong gusto mong lutuin namin on my next vlog, since hindi kami makalabas, any challenges, anything, please let us know. Comment below. Oh, it's almost there. Malapit na. Konti na lang. Grabe na ito. Okay lang yun. Hong Kong daw. Gutom na po ako. Tagal maluto. Hindi pa rin tapos hanggang ngayon. Hinihintay. Si Chef Joyce ang in charge dito eh. So, sabi nga hindi pa daw ready yan. So, kailangan pa magantay ng I think few more minutes daw. Pero, hopefully, pagluto na, sulit naman. Sabi ni Chef Joyce, malapit na daw. So, few more minutes mga guys. I know, are you hungry baby?
Yes!
Oh, almost there. Malapit na. Konting taste na lang. Malapit na. Tan tararan. And it's ready. Kainan na. Alright guys, I'm ending my vlog. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below. On my next vlog, kung may comment po kayo, any suggestions, recommendations, kung anong pwede natin gawin for my next vlog, please leave a comment below. And sa mga new viewers, don't forget to click subscribe and click that bell for notification so you won't miss any of my vlogs. And we'll see you on my next vlog.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight